Alright guys, good evening. And Chuck, let me give a shout out to you too. Alright, so let me tell you why I'm shooting this video. So it's going to be a real quick one. So earlier today, I was doing some work on this car, doing a little detailing, a little maintenance to it. Put some new wheel covers on, got rid of those cross-lace things, got these nice Police Interceptor style. They looks a lot better. And additionally, I was having to replace the 3M tape on this passenger rear door molding. Okay, and what I discovered underneath this molding, there's a little hole underneath here, about 1/2 inch in size, and I was really perplexed why there was a hole in the door. So I emailed Chuck, and Chuck kind of sort of blackmailed me and says, I know the answers to your question, and I'm not going to answer them until you send me a video asking the questions you asked me. So I said, okay, I can do that. So here's the questions. Number one, what the F is that hole for? Number two, why don't the Police Interceptor cars have it, the P7B? Number three, is this strictly a pre-2003 item? And number four is more of a rhetorical question. Why was Ford so damn cheap to let this abomination happen in the first place? I think we already know the answer to that one. But anyways, if you guys know the answer, and Chuck, if you know it too, sure would appreciate it if you tell me. In the meantime, enjoy how the Crown Queen looks, all shined up and nice. And you guys have yourselves a wonderful day. Bye-bye.